Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade on AUD/USD at 7230 for a buy. USD JPY for 113.94 for a buy. Market's currently at 114.003. I'm up 6 pips on this one, and I'm up 4 pips on the other. 10 minutes left. Trade looking pretty well. It's not nothing extravagant, but far the pip difference between the strike rate. But strategy I've been working on, when it looks at things, everything's going pretty well. Going to be the 7th victory with this trade, with this strategy. So we'll see how this thing goes. Continue to test this strategy and see how well it works. We'll see by the end of the week whether it's going to push this account. We already know it's going to hit over 1,000. We'll just see where this account lands. But I'm not going to keep you guys in the video too long. I'm not really going to go to the charts. Yeah, it's under construction, so looking at charts won't be a thing to do right now. Maybe down the road we'll see where it goes. But give me just a moment. We'll wait to 9 minutes. I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Yeah, I think I'm going to take profit on this trade here. AUD/USD is really cutting close to my profit, so it's a matter of just taking profit here. I fought 4 minutes left. I'm not really going to take that much risk. $55, I'll take that. The other trader's going to win. I'm not worrying about that, but I'll take profit on that. I'm going to keep this thing rolling. But I'm going to pull that up so we can at least see the finished results of AUD/USD. Might be able to get back into this trade. Three minutes left. I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Alright, we're under a minute. I'm counting. Right now, the AUD/USD trade would have been playing with my emotions. Tell you that. It's still winning. Would have been playing with my emotions. I didn't allow it. I will not allow it. Ten seconds left. Y'all know I'm watching the football game Sunday night. This tonight. Alright, trade's over. Boom, there we go. It's a good deal. I should have started this night with $777. Everything's looking good. I'm over $100 in profits right now. Awesome. Alex Jenkins checking out.